Open your browser and go to the official Meta AI website. Click Login in the top right corner and sign in using your Facebook or Google account. Once you're on the main interface, click the plus icon and select Create to open the tool panel. Choose your preferred image size and type a detailed prompt into the message box, like Cinematic Portrait under Neon Lights. Hit Enter, and the AI will generate 4 high-quality, watermark-free images. To bring an image to life, hover over it and click the Animate button. For more control, select Custom Animate and type a motion prompt, such as Camera slowly zooms in. To animate your own existing photos, click Animate My Photo and upload a file from your PC. Add a prompt describing the movement you want, like sunlight shines across the face, and hit Enter. The AI will process the motion naturally, making it look like professional film footage. You can also change the entire look of a video by clicking the plus icon and selecting Add File. Upload your video, then click Restyle. Choose from styles like anime, cyberpunk, or cinematic. Once the transformation is complete, click Share and select Download to save your watermark-free video directly to your device. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.